Brennan here at Colton RV. Class A motorhomes are perfect for experienced campers who are looking to upgrade or for large families who are looking to enter the RV lifestyle. The new 2022 Tiffin Phaeton 36SH is an incredibly luxurious Class A and comes loaded with an abundance of upscale amenities as standard features. You'll discover smartly engineered touches that make every trip an adventure in style. The Phaeton offers a stunning degree of high-end elegance and comfort, yet remains well within reach. This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B is packed with user-friendly features and more value than ever before. The Adventurer offers plenty of space with the dinette and sofa bed, and you'll love using the galley kitchen. A fully equipped bathroom and airy bedroom with abundant storage provides at-home comfort. To see all of our popular Class A motorhomes, stop by the free Buffalo Bills RV Show at Highmark Stadium from October 14th through the 17th.